Good day everyone, my name is Francis Stephen D. Garaig, BS Cream 1.2. Today, I'm representing my writing portfolio in academic communication. This portfolio showing my progress in week 1 to my finals by slide 2, table of contents. In this portfolio, I will present the activities and milestones I completed throughout the course. Each task helped me develop skills in writing, analysis, and critical thinking. Slide 3, Week 1, Career to Classroom Activity. In our first activity, I learned the importance of professional communication, especially in the field of criminology. We explored how to write professional emails and share information effectively in a formal settings. Slide 4, Week 2, AI Essay. In this activity, I analyzed an essay written by AI generated. I learned how to identify weak evidence and lack of human emotion and unsupported details. This helped me understand how human writers can improve upon AI-generated content. Slide 5, Week 2, Activity. A very short story by Ernest Hemingway. This story follows an American soldier who falls in love with a nurse while recovering in Italy. Their relationship eventually falls apart due to distance, misunderstanding, and betrayal. I learned this story helped me understand how to express and analyze human emotions in writing. Slide 6, the milestone 1, outline. I created an outline for an essay preventing cybercrime. My title is Cybercrime. Cybercrime is any illegal activity involving a computer, network, or digital device. It includes identifying thief, financial fraud, and data breaches. I learned in this milestone, planning an outline helped me organize my ideas clearly before writing the full essay. Slide 7, Week 4, Editing. Editing. In this activity, I practice editing for grammar, sentence, structure, and clarity. I also learned about thesis statement and how to create a smooth transition between ideas. Slide 8, Milestone 2, Peer Evaluation. During peer evaluation, I review a classmate work using critical thinking. I focus on proper citation and references and structure. What I learned, this helped me improve my own writing by recognizing both strengths and weaknesses in other work. Slide 9, Final Activity. Final Essay. My title is Cybercrime, a New Threat to Society. My final essay explains online crime such as hacking and identity theft. I discuss how digital services are used as tool or target in illegal activities. I learned in this essay allowed me to apply everything I learned about structure, evidence, and clarity. Learning reflection. Throughout this portfolio, I learned how to plan, write, and improve academic and professional writing by developing skills in structure, editing, grammar, and critical thinking. This experience helped me grow in confidence and clarity as a writer, preparing me for future academic and professional communication.